So people who are going flame them and shame them. You see flame talk na man coming up in this video. Dancehall artist Vybz Kartel say him no want no more pum picture. What a kusho.
Can't take a social distance. Rock cocking at your old girl and response.
And also coming up the official drop of this song for Ivan. Ma tell your people ma check out what go on.
Ivani pussy stink. Ivani pussy stink.
Coming up in this video, fans are saying that dancehall artist Shenseea and this dancehall artist Spice in her latest performance. What a kusho.
Tell a girl fi go away. Chat all you want, but you can't touch me.
Likewise, coming up in this video, dancehall artist Busy Signal took to Instagram to show the fans them him success and him birthday. And also coming up, dancehall artist Mr. Lex end up in the hospital after performing and him right lungs feel him.
I tell you TV, steady with the matic. I tell you I body flag and me now have to tell you.
Hey, I say don't know what fresh this. I say tell you TV. Hold the shirt of your bad shot.
So people, today is recording dancehall artist Busy Signal birthday. Bless up yourself in a Busy Signal upon your earth strong. Anyhow, the artist took to him Instagram page to show the fans them him accomplishment.
Alright, we have to give thanks every day. We giving praise, don't watch part 9 and not you wait.
People right away my African grad Busy Signal. Watch out for this certified platinum in France. Right away the artist took to him Instagram page to announce what go on. Certified platinum in France. Blessings pan blessings. Happy birthday to me. Thank you. 1 of 4. And you see some gorillas. Likewise people, Busy Signal make we know say Bad Girl, the track will feature him and Santa Maria certified gold in the UK. The artists make we know most definitely say watch out for this also certified gold in the UK. Right away my office say big up Busy Signal. Congrats on your greatness, you know. Yeah man. Look how Busy Signal just humbly in the industry so. And look how the man a kick up storm.
Yo, wagwan my dead. To wagwan at the world better you guy your bed.
So people right away I want to see some happy birthday or happy earth strong in the comment section for Busy Signal. And leave your thoughts in the comment section how you feel about the artist's greatness. I mash up a place though.
Quick move, fast. Money man make a quick move, fast.
Female dancehall artist D release a brand new single entitled Ivan Stink. People check out what go on.
Ivani pussy stink. Ivani pussy stink. That's why
People want to talk to me in the comment section. What you think about this single from the official entitled Ivan Stink? Jaja alone kushu kasha go on bout here, you know. Ivani and the official are going with big things on the internet, people. Yeah man, the official a mock Ivani I say or something stink. Jaja. Yo, Ivani kill herself, you know, in a real life because Ivani she forward out and she has say, yo, the man said stink on a real thing. It did stink the time that Jaja. Anyhow, I'm gonna leave a link in my comment section for the full video where the saga forward from, and also I'm gonna leave a link in my comment section for the full single entitled Ivan Stink. People, how much out of 10 you give D for the song here entitled Ivanis?
man have to think twice before him enter your compa life, so you're thinking at your center.
Recording dancehall artist Mr. Lex post a shocking photo. Right away, you can see the artist there, so people, the artist in the hospital and the hospital bed is not a good look. The artist write this on the photo. I am okay guys, thanks. The surgery was successful. Right away, make we check out the caption. 10 minutes into my performance last night, my right lungs collapsed. Went into surgery last night. I am okay, I guess. Thanks. Big up to the docs at Andrews. Jaja, give thanks in my G, because life is the greatest thing. People, that's what Mr. Lex have to say. You see me, so you don't have to worry and fret on them little things. So people, Vybz Kartel make a shocking post on him Instagram page alone. Kusho kasha man. Tell you, this is what Vybz Kartel say. Sexy body and nothing else. My girl, go DM another artist. Me have 99 problem, but P and no one. Jaja. Right there, so. Kartel make the individual know say, oi, go easy pon the something there. You hear? Me a no clown. Anyhow, Kartel go again and make this post on him Instagram story. Don't at I am tall boss. Me no want no more pic. Me want a girl with at Privy Council. Send me your ID pic Vybz kartel a laugh. It teach us the whole heap of them there, you know. Lady, you have to know what you do. Anyhow, people, leave your thoughts about that situation in the comment section. Kartel make you know say you know, him alone galis. So people, a video circulate the place with dancehall artist Shenseea a burn her fire on some female artists out there we basically no love to give other artists the strength there. You know what I mean? What I'm going to do, I'm going to play the video and make you check out what go on.
I just want to say big up Denise. She is the original queen for Put Your Back in It. The whining queen straight from Trinidad. Bless them up now, man. And I want to say, I'm a woman, I love to support women. Women need it. Like when girls fight on each other, because you see when girls fight on each other, ugly them ugly.
So people right there say you can see female dancehall artist Shenseea give respect to Denise from Trinidad. She is the official singer for Put Your Back in It. And we all know Shenseea sample her song in her latest single entitled Lick, we feature Megan Thee Stallion. Now people, right away, Shenseea a burn her fire, you know, and I make it known out there say she is a lady we like to support other ladies out there. But you have some girls out there when them dip on top, them not like to give the other girl them out there the support them for bring them up. So Shenseea say, yo, them girl them ugly. Me don't know if that are the reason why the people them a say a spice Shenseea this. Anyhow, you as the viewers, I want uno to talk to me in the comment section. All me know still, Shenseea a mash up the place. A whole heap of people out there a say, oh, Shenseea thief the lady song. At the end of the day, right there, so uno see what go on. So, to my understanding, Shenseea get the okay to do this song. You understand? So big up yourself, Shenseea, big up Spice likewise, big up Denise, big up all of the dancehall fans.
I tell you TV, steady with the matic. I tell you I body flag and me now have to tell you.
Hey, I say don't know what fresh this, I say tell you TV. Hold the shirt of your bad shots.